Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in a Ford Fusion. We'll cover the most common reasons your air conditioning might not be working and guide you through troubleshooting steps. Understanding these issues can save you time and money. We'll start by checking the simplest problems before moving to more complex diagnostics. Let's get your Ford Fusion's AC blowing cold air again. Diagnosing your AC problem accurately is the first crucial step. Listen for the compressor clutch engaging. If it doesn't, you might have an electrical issue or low refrigerant. A manifold gauge set will show you the high and low side pressures, indicating if your system is undercharged or overcharged. Don't forget to check your cabin air filter, as a clogged one can severely reduce airflow and cooling efficiency. Once you've diagnosed the issue, many common AC repairs are manageable. If refrigerant is low, a proper recharge with R134A can often solve the problem. A non-engaging compressor usually means it needs replacement, which is a more involved repair. Always check fuses and wiring for any breaks or corrosion, as these simple fixes can restore power to your AC system. For more advanced issues, like a leaking evaporator or condenser, professional help is often best due to the complexity and specialized tools required. If you've had a compressor failure, flushing the entire system is vital to remove debris and prevent future problems. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Getting your AC fixed properly ensures comfort for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.